We have this triangle ABC with equal sides AB and AC. And we have equal line segments CB, BQ, QP, and PA. And we need to find the ratio of the angles A and B. So let's start our solution. First, let's make an assumption that these equal line segments have a length of 1 unit. Also, call angle A of large triangle as x degrees. Then drop a perpendicular from point P to line segment AB. After this, let's write cosine of angle x using this shaded triangle. Our adjacent side will be the line segment RA, and the hypotenuse will be 1 unit. So cosine of x will be equal to RA. Therefore, instead of RA, we can write cosine x on the figure. Now let's focus on this isosceles triangle. Remember that in an isosceles triangle, the height drawn from the vertex angle will bisect the bottom line segment. So line segment QR will also be cosine x units. Now let's clear the figure a little bit for the next step. Next, let's draw this height of this triangle ABC from the apex angle A. We know that AB is equal to AC. So this height will bisect the base BC. And it will also bisect the apex angle A into x over 2 degrees each. Now focus on this right angle triangle. And let's try to write the sine of angle x over 2. That will be the length of the opposite side over the length of the hypotenuse. The opposite side is 1 over 2. And the hypotenuse is 1 plus cosine x plus cosine x. And that is 1 plus 2 cosine x. So we have this equation now and we can solve it for angle x. Let's clear the screen for now and try to solve this. First, let's cross multiply and get rid of the ugly fraction on the right side. After that, distribute sine x over 2 to the parentheses. Now let's work on this part only. Before that, we should remember this trigonometric formula. If you notice, right side of the green formula looks very much like our term here. But we must make them look exactly like each other. To do that, insides of sines and cosines must be equal. So let's equate them as follows. From here, a minus b will be x and a plus b will be 2x. Solving these two equations will give us a is equal to 3x over 2 and b is x over 2. So our term can be written as this. Now let's go back to our main equation and replace this term with the term we have just found. And use the remaining terms without changing. Now sin x over 2 terms will cancel out. And sin 3x over 2 will be equal to 1 over 2. Now we are very close to find the angle x. Instead of 1 over 2, we can write sin 30. So 3x over 2 will be equal to 30 degrees. And from here, x can be found as 20 degrees. Now let's get back to our main question. Knowing that x is 20 degrees, x over 2 degree angles will be 10 degrees each. Now focus on this right angle triangle and sum up the internal angles. So angle A will be 80 degrees. Now pay attention to this isosceles triangle. Since base angles should be equal, this angle will be 20 degrees. So let's sum up the internal angles of this triangle. From here, B will be 140 degrees. The question asks the ratio of A over B. That will be 80 over 140. And this can be simplified to 4 over 7. And that is our answer. I'll see you on the next one.